guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be packing to go to Mexico. So my birthday just passed. I'm a Cancer baby. I turned 24 and I decided this year I wanted to celebrate it in Mexico with my grandma, which is where she lives. So we rented an Airbnb with a pool and everything. I'm going to be packing for that trip, but I'm also going to show you guys what I got from Shein because I wanted to decorate. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got from Shein. First off, I got this travel case, jewelry travel case, which I really needed one of these because every time I travel I just carry my jewelry in like a small zipper bag. And then I got this really pretty arm cuff, seashells and starfish. The theme for my birthday is gonna be mermaids, so that's why I got this cuff. And then I also got some cute little pearl starfish earrings, you can see there. I got some nails, they're fish like mermaid nails right there. I got some balloon packs, seashell balloon pack. I'll show you guys a picture of what that looks like, and those all, you guys will see what it looks like once I set it up. I also got this fishnet. It's a blue color fishnet. This is a big birthday balloon pack. These are just some fringe curtains, blue waves. This one's a dolphin little balloon. One is a 3-tier cupcake stand. So it's all mermaid themed like this, but it's supposed to look like this with all of the pastries. Then I also got some lanterns. It's a 3-pack, so there's a pink one, a blue one, and a purple one. Next I got a tablecloth, which is also mermaid, super duper pretty. And then this one is another little balloon set. It's like a jellyfish and then some seashells. Next, this is, what is this? This is a happy birthday banner. Here's a 4 for my birthday cake. I also got this really pretty hair claw, pretty blue color. So I do also have the 2 here, the 24 for my birthday cake. Also have some toppings for the cake, some seashells and starfish. I got some starfish hair clips for my mom and sister and grandma to add to their hair. Here's another tablecloth, so I have a total of 2. And I got some large mermaid plates, some small mermaid plates. This one's another happy birthday little banner, some napkins, mermaid birthday, some spoons, straws, a tiara for me, super cute. There are some knives, some forks, some cups, like mermaid anime style toppers. Super cute for my cake. And I did get some more items. I did get this adorable little phone case. It's got jellyfishes on that. It's just so pretty, and it says jellyfish, do you want to dive with jellyfish? The answer is yes. Super pretty. I love it. It was giving me mermaid vibes, so I had to get it. From Shein was this little baggie that is super cute, little Hello Kitty bag. I also got these blonde extension waves that I'm starting to feel like might not match, but I think they will tonight. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm going to braid it up. 2 sets of these because I wanted to have a lot of this hair going on there so I can really give mermaid vibes. And this, guys, is a little wine charm set. It is to customize your wine glass to know which one is yours. So I did also buy 2 dresses off of Shein just because I needed a mermaid fit. This electric blue tube top dress that's got these beautiful ruffles on the side and like openings. So it is definitely giving mermaidy vibes. Very, very pretty and fitted. The other dress that I was really hoping that it would fit perfect was this one, because this one's really giving me just that mermaid vibe. It's this beautiful like a seafoam green little strapless semi-open back little cutout dress, and I just think it's so cute and it's giving such aquamarine vibes, and that's why I love it. So I'll be taking these 2 dresses for sure. I'm just gonna put them in this Victoria's Secret tote. This is probably gonna be the bikini top I'm gonna wear. It's this really pretty dreamy purple and pink sort of iridescent color. I'll be wearing this cute little halter top bikini swim skirt that I purchased from the thrift. Seashell little earrings right here, and then these Forever 21 green and gold ring, a beautiful blue rock on it. I think it's perfect. I'm gonna take this pink charm gold ring and this beautiful rose gold heart ring, and I'm going to be taking this beautiful little ocean pearls necklace, and I have the matching bracelet, so I will be taking that as well. And then I also bought this like gorgeous chain that I'll be wearing as a waist chain, and it's got cute little seashells and it's gold, so it'll be perfect. Alrighty guys, so in this little bag, it's a Clinique bag, I'm going to be packing my brushes. So I have them, all my everyday brushes, in this bin, so I can just do the transferoni. And I know I'll have all of my everyday brushes in there. And now that I'm done with them, I'm going to close it up. Now we can start putting the makeup in this little bag that I have here. Hair clips to hold my hair out of my face. I like to do headbands when I am removing my makeup. This is my cute little froggy one. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to take this little small Hollister perfume with me. I also need my shower stuff, which includes toothbrush, cleanser, and that'll be all. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab those items. And then here is my lotion. I'm also gonna take that. I'm gonna take some black little flip-flops and then probably some silver ones for like all of my pictures and stuff. So yeah, now I'm all set. So in this little benefit baggie, I just have some hair products, and perfume, and my toothbrush. Here I have some of my hair stuff and then my makeup stuff. Okay, so far I have these 2 bags ready to go. So I'm just gonna put them here. These beautiful little flowers Juan got for me for my birthday. They're so gorgeous. And he gave it to me with this really pretty big balloon. Big ball balloon that is gorgeous. But I had to put it up here because here was too in the way of the AC. But I love the flowers. So these are the 2 items that are ready to go, and then this item is ready to go. So yeah, I've got these jewelry items that I can just throw into this bag now. So I've pretty much gathered up my items here. I'm like, am I forgetting anything? No, I have my jewelry, my makeup, my skincare stuff. I'm not taking any serums, which, let's be real, I'm gonna need some serums. I'm gonna take one. I'm just gonna take my vitamin C for the morning and my hyaluronic acid for the night. Queen of Cumbia. Selena. I also got this little super small curling iron from Savers, so I'm gonna take it just in case. Do need to pack some sleepwear stuff. I just realized I don't have anything. I'm gonna pack this Lululemon shirt. So to sleep, I'm gonna be taking these cute little sleepwear shorts that are nice and fresh because it's going to be extremely hot over there. We are going to have the AC, but either way, it's just going to be so extremely hot that I'm like, be prepared, homegirl, because it's no joke out there. I didn't include the shades in the packing, but they're kind of giving mermaid vibes because they're kind of metallic. So I'm going to wear these and the black ones. So I've got all my things packed and ready, and I will see you guys when we are on our way to Mexico. Bye. Alright, so we're here in Mexicali. This might be lopsided. But here's the pool right here. Here's a little cabin vibe we got going on. But this pool is pretty dope. We got... In this moment, I realized there was New Islanders in the villa. JK, they were actually the people that were staying in the house right next door, so. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. We got into the pool. There was actually another house renting the sister house right next to us, so they looked like they were gonna go out to the patio, so we were like, we can wrap it up soon. We were already swimming for a while. We wanted to eat. I have some dry powder, some loose powder under my eyes. I'm currently getting ready here in the bathroom, so let's finish getting ready because we are going to have dinner. Cake pictures downstairs right quick. It's already like let me see, it's 9:44, so it's pretty late already. I usually sleep like at 10, so 11, I don't know, not that late, so we'll go ahead. Let me show you guys really quick. The setup we got. Setup we got here. Happy birthday. We still have to put our items here and then the cake here, but super duper cute. And I had my extensions here. I'm like, I'm gonna need these bad boys. Love is if you don't gotta call a million times. I got it. Did I? Okay, I think I got it. Yeah. Okay, guys, I closed it up. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Like that. That looks pretty. I need to just change my earrings. This is what they look like. The golden seashells. But if we want to do bigger, like, you know, more showable, I think we want to do bigger showable. Okay, then I have all my jewelry on. Now we are officially all set. This is the look I've got going on. It's a lot of hair. I've got this cute arm cuff with seashells and stars and whatnot. Super cute. So this is the finished look. Super duper cute. Ruffles. Adorable topper.
Happy birthday. Big old house just for us and this crazy girl. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Karim. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
El wish, el deseo.
Yay.
Abuelita. ¿No dormiste bien?
Sí.
¿No dormiste bien?
Hola, no dormí.
¿Y eso?
Ah, se mira.
Sí, mira.
Oh.
Estoy grabando.
Ah,
¿Cómo
cuenta.
te la pasaste allá?
Bien, bien, bien,
Está bien, abuelita.
bien, bien a gusto con ustedes que se me hizo el día chiquito. No, las quiero mucho.
Yo también, abuelita.
Mire,
That's gonna be all for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.